Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by choosing what to capture and which key combo to use. Press PRT-SCN to copy the whole screen to the clipboard. This is fast when you only need a quick image. Alternatively, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open Snip and Sketch tools for a selection. This gives more control. Once done, the image is in the clipboard or snipping tool. Make sure to open Paint or Word to paste and save if you used PRT-SCN. Now you refine what you captured, so you end up with a usable file. After Windows plus Shift plus S, pick Rectangular or Window mode to precisely capture a region or an app window. This reduces clutter and file size. Once the snip appears, click the notification to open Snipping tool for quick edits like cropping, highlighting, or annotations. These edits explain context. If you used PRT-SCN, paste into Paint with Ctrl plus V, crop. Then choose Save As, and pick PNG for quality. Finish by saving and confirming the screenshot is accessible. In Snipping tool or Paint, select File Save As, pick PNG for crisp edges, name the file, and choose a folder you can find later. Make sure to verify the image by opening it. If the PRT-SCN or Windows plus Shift plus S shortcuts do nothing, restart the Snipping tool, check keyboard settings and drivers, and consider Microsoft PowerToys with a customizable screenshot utility as a reliable alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.